NotCoin's price has gone up by 40% in one day. Is it worth getting into NotCoin now, or should we sell? In this video, I talk about NotCoin and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start the video, join my free Telegram group where I share analysis about Bitcoin, NotCoin, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. First off, NotCoin has just been announced to be at rank 90 of all cryptocurrencies by market cap of $1 billion. NotCoin is a meme coin that builds on Toncoin. And if you click on the website, you can see that this coin, nothing is. So it's 100% a meme coin that can't do anything, but its price is soaring right now. Of course, it's a very bullish sign that NotCoin is already listed on Binance and other major crypto exchanges, and a lot of money is flowing into this coin right now. And we have a circulating supply of 100%, which is also very bullish, meaning the supply can no longer be increased. And looking at the chart, we can see that after the launch, we first got a massive sell-off. However, we then saw a bullish rise, we broke the last high to the upside, and we also broke the last significant high to the upside. Then we can see here that we have bullish price action. And after those wakes, we saw a surge to the upside and a very bullish candle close. And also on the hourly candles, we can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend, with higher highs and higher lows. And of course, as I said, NotCoin is a coin that can't do anything, but memecoins are really hot right now. So I expect that we can anticipate higher prices. Moreover, as mentioned, we are in an extremely bullish trend, and then of course the chance is always higher that we will see higher prices. Of course, there is also an extremely high chance that we will see a sell-off, a very quick one, and expect lower prices. So one should always be cautious with meme coins. And if you want to get into this coin, I would personally wait for a retracement, specifically into this interesting demand zone. This dimension was the beginning of this upward movement from this bullish point. And if we see a retracement into this demand zone and then bullish price action, then the chance is extremely high that we can continue this bullish trend upwards. And we've marked this last high in purple right here, and that would of course also be a perfect retest of this last peak if, however, we break through this demand zone on the downside. Then I expect significantly lower prices, and of course there's also the possibility that we will see much higher prices because a lot of money is being put into the market right now. It's coming, but for a safer entry I'd wait until we return to this zone. We also see bullish price action on the lower time frames. And if you don't want to miss any trading signals from me, then join my exclusive trading signal group. In this signal group, I share real-time trading signals and, of course, crypto spot buys and sales. Second link in the description. All in all, it can be said that NotCoin is performing very well right now. It's a meme coin that has no fundamental strength of its own, except that it's built on Toncoin, and of course a lot of money is entering the market right now, and we obviously already have Binance listings and listed on many other major exchanges. I personally think that we can see higher prices as long as we can continue this bullish trend. But I would treat this meme coin with caution and try to get into as safe entry points as possible without investing too much money in this coin. Thank you for watching. I wish you a lot of success in trading and see you in the next video.